So what I wish to do is use N8N to retrieve the comments from my YouTube videos that are coming in volume now and get them to do some analysis of those comments. So sorry, wrong window. So what I've built is it should come up in a second. What I've built is this N8N workflow that I'm just been testing internally, that basically goes and gets the comments, splits them out, and then does some analysis in AI. And I want to be able to put a post request in, which I can't do at the moment because the scope SSL is currently restricted. But what I want to be able to do is on these comments put some feedback automatically that are coming in volume now. And if you could help me to take the restriction off that, that would be fantastic. Thank you.